presentation is on one thing that we all have in common. Try to think of something all humans use every day. This seems like a hard question at first, but can be answered with one word: plants. I'm currently taking Biology 2 and Intro to Plant Science, so I've learned a lot about plants this semester. Plants are some of the most unique organisms on this planet and have some of the most valuable benefits as well. Not only do all humans rely on plants 24/7, so do animals. You might ask why I speak of plants so highly. Plants are used for many things, from making the oxygen we breathe, to supplying the support for the houses we build, to fueling our bodies and many other things. Today, I'm going to tell you how plants achieve all of these things. The most important thing that plants make is oxygen. Plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs are organisms that make their own food. Plants make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. A byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, which we all know and breathe. The plants, through the process of photosynthesis, take in CO2 and water and turn it into oxygen and glucose. Though plants provide us with oxygen, they also provide us with shelter. Trees are especially important in today's world. Trees are vascular plants, meaning that they have vascular tissue, xylem, and phloem. You are probably wondering why you should care about plant tissue. Xylem is an interesting tissue. It is what provides the main support for vascular plants. The coolest thing about this tissue is that even when this tissue is dead, it still holds its structure. Xylem is what allows us to cut down trees and the wood still be sturdy enough to build our houses. Plants put roofs over our head and keep our bellies full. Plants not only fuel our bodies, but they also fuel many other things. Plants fuel our bodies and many animals' bodies, which we also eat animals too. This takes place when we consume plants. We consume carbohydrates, starch, and sugars. Our body breaks them down and turns them into the fuel we need. Angiosperms. Angiosperms are fruiting or flowering plants. Have you eaten fruit before? Because I know I have. Did you know that fruit is actually mature plant ovaries? It's kind of crazy. Plants fuel our bodies when we eat fruit or any other part of the plant, but you can't forget the plants fuel our cars too. Fuels made from plants are called biofuels. One biofuel that should sound familiar is ethanol, also known as the gas we put in our cars. Ethanol is made from corn. To make ethanol, the starches in corn are broken down to simple sugars. Plants provide us with many things, whether it be the oxygen we breathe, the food we eat, or even the wood to build our houses and many other structures. Plants are unbelievably valuable and have many uses, as I've explained today. Plants are incredibly unique, and I hope you now see why I speak so highly of plants.